Dynamics Limited worth rupees 2,095.70 crores. Procurement of INVAR anti-tank guided missiles. The agreement was signed in presence of Defence Secretary Rajesh Kumar Singh, marking another step in upgrading India's mechanized firepower. The INVAR missile is designed to be launched 125 mm gun barrel of the T-90 tank. The backbone of India's armoured regiments. A sophisticated laser-guided anti-tank system, the missile brings very high hit probability against stationary as well as moving targets. The missile known as INVAR 3UBK-20 can take down armoured vehicles equipped with explosive reactive armour, a key requirement in modern mechanized warfare. Its maximum range of 5 km. For armoured units, this means engaging enemy tanks beyond their effective firing range and striking with precision before the adversary even closes in. Mechanized operations demand speed, mobility and accuracy. With INVAR, the T-90 platform becomes significantly more lethal, capable of hitting fortified armor while on the move. The system sharpens India's anti-armor punch, especially along hostile sectors where armored clashes are a real possibility. The procurement falls under Buy India category, meaning the missile meets stringent indigenous content requirements that are 50% indigenization if designed and developed in India, or 60% indigenous content if not originally Indian designed. The Bharat Dynamics Limited manufactures the system under technical collaboration with Rosobourne Export of Russia, blending Indian production expertise with proven global technology. The ministry says the deal reflects government's continued push to meet Army's requirement by leveraging the capabilities of Indian defense PSUs, while encouraging niche technologies through domestic industry. With the INVAR project, Indian industry gains deeper expertise in advanced guidance, warhead technology, and missile integration, skills essential for future ATGM programs.